Hey, welcome back. We're coming to you with another recipe from the Unofficial Disney Parks Cookbook, where in here are copycat recipes for things found at the Disney parks, food found at the Disney parks. Today we're making frozen chocolate covered bananas. Well, you can find this treat in several parks. You can find it in Hollywood Studios near Echo Lake, and then you can also find it at Animal Kingdom on the way to Pandora.
Yes, the last one we had was near the Pandora land. Exit or entrance, however you put it.
1 hour before you're going to begin this recipe, you're going to freeze your bananas.
I've never frozen my bananas before, Cheryl. So what did you do?
All right, you have to peel them, cut them in half, and either get popsicle sticks. I used skewers because that's what I had, and I just cut them in half. These are frozen solid. They've been in the freezer for 1 hour. And it's on a lined cookie pan. This is the parchment paper pop-ups from Reynolds that we use. Now the recipe is, whoops, all right. Okay, so in our bowl, we're gonna melt in our microwave 1 cup dark chocolate chips, or you could use any dark chocolate, your preference. 1 cup of the semi-sweet morsels, and then a tablespoon of coconut
oil.
Coconut oil. So now we're going to microwave it. With tempering chocolate, you have to be very careful. You just can't set it for 2 minutes because you'll burn and scorch your chocolate and it won't temper correctly. So you have to do it 30 minutes, stir the bowl completely, then do 15-minute increments. So here we go for the first 30 minutes.
Wait. Chocolate. Gotta love chocolate.
All right, we're ready to dip now. Okay, our chocolate is melted. We're ready to dip. We have a plate here. To coat on the frozen bananas, you can put the peanuts or use shredded coconut. Now these are going to go back into the freezer to stiffen up a bit. So here we go. Banana number 1. Just let it drip. Roll in some nuts. And now put it back on the parchment so it can get put back in the freezer.
Again.
This one's getting coconut.
The coconut looks real good.
Mm-hmm. Let's go back in the freezer.
This would be a good treat for like kids.
It'd be an easy recipe to do with children, yes. I let that one sit down too long. ready for them to get popped back into the freezer.
So,
They're ready.
this looks good.
You had to put them back in the freezer for 15 minutes, and now they're ready to eat.
Wait.
What?
Picture.
Wait, what?
Let's take a picture this time.
They're ready. They went in the freezer for 15 minutes to kind of harden up the chocolate again. So now they're ready to eat. Don't they look good?
They look good.
Nice treat on a hot, hot day. Nice and frozen.
Remember, the ingredients is banana, chocolate, and nuts. And this one has got some coconut flakes.
There was some coconut oil too.
Yes.
Remember, tempering the chocolate, do it slowly and gradually.
Uh-oh.
But you can change out the toppings. If you don't like salted peanuts, you can do sprinkles, coconut. You could do warm peanut butter and drizzle it over it. You could do all kinds of little
That'll be
toppings.
good. Peanut butter on top of this. Ooh, M&Ms too. Chocolate with M&Ms. That's a good idea.
Yep.
This is good though. It's kind of hard to say anything on the video because we want to eat this right now so badly, but we gotta let you know, was it good? Was it worth it? Definitely worth it.
Thumbs up. It's an easy recipe. It's one to do with children if you have kids because the prep is super easy. The only hard part is tempering the chocolate in the microwave. But after that, easy.
Yes, I like it very much. So if you are returning to our channel, we want to thank you very much for always supporting our channel and returning back to us constantly. We do appreciate it very much. We know a lot of you guys out there that do this, and so I'm reaching out to you right now and tell you that we do really sincerely thank you very much for that. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. Please hit that bell icon.
And give us a like.
Yes.
Leave a comment. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time when we are cooking from the Unofficial Disney Cookbook. Remember, these are copycat recipes from food that you can get at Disney World and Disneyland.
Ooh.
We'll link it down below. But I wanted to show my tie-dye Disney t-shirt that I got a couple of years ago. But with the mask that came out, look, I have a matching mask. And it even has Mickey on it. I just thought it was cute and thought, you know, I wanted to share with you. All right, so the recipe is easy. What got on it? Oh, shoot.
It's one of those bloopers, isn't it?
Jeez. What?